So I was driving to this area up here that I like to go fishing, and it burnt down a couple months ago, but everything's turning green again. You can just see how fast nature works. But you can see the remnants of the fire still. Like, that was a tree. Now it's a pile of ash. There's another one. There's another one. Just piles of ashes everywhere. You can still see the floor is black. But we got little plants growing again, which is pretty neat. Just goes to show, even when there's giant fires, nature will still heal itself pretty quick.